In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in HubSpot. Workflows automate repetitive tasks so you can focus on strategy instead of manual follow-up. I'll walk you through the whole process and offer tips to keep your automations clean and effective. First, open your HubSpot account and head to the automation menu, then choose Workflows. This is the central place where all your automations live. If you're new, take a moment to scan existing workflows so you understand how your account is already organized. Next, click Create Workflow in the top right to start a new one. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to build it. If you select from scratch, you get full control to construct every trigger and action. If you prefer a guided approach, use the Breeze Assistant by describing your goal in plain language. For example, when a contact fills out the demo request form, send them a welcome email. The assistant will suggest a workflow. You can also pick from template to use a pre-built setup, which is handy if you want a proven structure quickly. After choosing a method, select the object your workflow should act on. Common objects include contact, company, deal, and ticket. Then pick the workflow type, a blank workflow for ongoing automation, scheduled for recurring starts, or date-based when actions should occur relative to a specific date property. Choosing the right object and type upfront keeps triggers and actions relevant. Give your workflow a clear descriptive name and set a specific goal to measure success. A goal not only helps with reporting, but can automatically unenroll records that meet it, preventing unnecessary messaging. Now define enrollment triggers by clicking Setup Triggers or the plus icon. Triggers are the conditions that enroll records, such as a form submission, property value change, or list membership. Be as specific as possible to avoid over-enrolling. With triggers in place, add actions by clicking the plus icon. Common actions include sending emails, updating properties, creating tasks, adding records to lists, and sending internal notifications. If you need pauses between steps, use the delay action. For example, wait 2 days before sending a follow-up email. Before activating, open the Settings tab to manage re-enrollment rules and unenrollment criteria. Decide whether contacts can re-enter the workflow and set conditions like unsubscribing or meeting the workflow goal to remove them. Finally, review your setup for any alerts. Choose whether to enroll existing matching records, and click Review and Publish to turn the workflow on. A good practice is to test with a small list or a test contact first. Check email content and links and monitor initial performance so you can optimize quickly.